In this video, I'll show you how to change Instagram Explore feed. Alright, first of all, just open your Instagram account and now just click on these three lines on top right corner. Click on your activity and how you use Instagram. Alright, scroll down and here select recent searches and make sure you clear all the recent searches. Now go back and scroll down, and what you see, you will see this option content preferences. Just click on it. Now click on interested and make sure you have deleted all the things in interested. Now click on sensitive content and here make sure you have selected less. Go back and again click on, and now this time click on reset suggested content. Click on next and click on reset suggested content and apply it. Now go back again and tell Instagram algorithm what you want to see. So for that, click on the search option and here make sure you have selected the post, like it, comment it, and the post which you don't like, just click on it and click on these three lines on top right and here click on not interested. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.